Good evening. Today is a glazing kiln. All right. What do we have here? What is this? Oh my God, this is amazing. Right?
Yes, it is. It's a porcupine.
Porcupine. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. I told her she put too much. That's what happens when you put too much underglaze. It cracks. What can I do? I mean, it's nice, but I don't like the cracks.
Mm-hmm.
I really don't. I think it can come out much nicer. It's a message. Okay, that's gonna be that's the stamp of a mushroom. Stamps, 2 stamps. Okay. Now, what happened? Okay, that I have this. I have a.
Whoa.
Yes.
Scary.
Yes, it's this child that I have. One of my students. I think he's 11, 12. I don't know. He made it. So. Okay. That's Ronit's granddaughter. Granddaughter. I'm too tired. I think I'm just too tired. Okay, that she made it. It's cute.
Let me see it. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. She wanted it to be purple, but it's pink. It's okay. It's nice. Now, this is also amazing. All right?
Yeah.
This is how you paint. You see? This is what I would say good painting. Beautiful. Okay. Now, this my beloved Kochi made. Oh, it's actually not so bad. We can actually glue it. Kochi! Look at that! We'll glue it together. I thought it got stuck completely. Well, I'm still gonna have to fix the shelf, but it's not that bad. Alright. Let's put this here. Wow. That's nice. Ahmed and his girlfriend made
Wow.
it. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes, he actually painted the flowers.
Mm-hmm.
I'll send him a picture. Okay, so this. Monit's gonna glue this to this and this to that, and it's gonna be like that. Like
What glue that's used?
E6000 or something like that. It's like, actually, I brought one for Kochi and I don't know what happened with it.
Wow.
That's, I made it.
Wow.
That's me, I made it.
Very nice.
Yes. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Kochi made it. Now, it was actually an experiment because she has a pencil that's it's like an underglaze pencil.
Mm-hmm.
And she drew on top of the underglaze. So this is how it looks like. You see the strips?
Stripes, yeah.
Stripes.
Mm-hmm.
And this was right on top of the clay. So it works both ways, both sides, both whatever. Okay. That's
That is something.
it's I think it's a kite.
Ah, it's a kite.
It's
Wow.
a kite, yes. I think it's a hand that's holding a kite, and I think it's a kite. It's supposed to be purple. I don't know what happened. Okay. salam.
Very nice.
Very nice. Peas and salam I like. Some people don't, but let's not get into politics. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Wow. The snake. You like the snake? Okay. This I made for Galit. What do you think?
Beautiful.
She like it?
Yeah.
She's not gonna like it. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna break it on her head. Because I'm very nice. I like peace. We talked about peace. Alright. This Ahmed and his girlfriend made Ahmed. No.
Yeah, Malak.
Malak and Ahmed. You remember. You remember everything. Who made this? That child student that I have. Okay. So. I think that's the bottom shelf. Let's see how this turned out. Oh, I like it. Wow. It was supposed to be the dotted glaze, but for some reason, if you don't mix it right, it's not gonna be like that. And I have a feeling that this, no, it's not possible that it's a dotted glaze. Maybe it's just a clear. I think it might be just
It's not
clear.
round. It's not perfect.
Yeah, she made it like that because
okay.
she wanted to hold it like that.
Oh, okay.
So she actually, she put the thumb like that, you see?
Mm-hmm.
But it's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Amazing.
Who made it?
Hadas. Oh. Ahmed and his girlfriend. Rubber duck dick.
It's not rubber, it's clay duck.
It's clay ducky. Nice. Okay. Now let's see. Uy. I made it for my mom. Is that cute?
Yes.
Okay, let's put them here. Hopefully it's gonna stand right. Okay, this Ahmed and his girlfriend made. They love each other, as you can tell. Okay, who made this? Hadas. Okay. I told her it might come out like that. For some reason, this happens sometimes, but I like it.
Yeah, it's what happened to the red glaze that I used on the small cup.
Yeah, it happened to the same. I made my cups to my mom, and the same thing happened. So maybe there's something with the clay. That's nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful inside.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Really, really amazing. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Very special. Very special. All right. Kochile. She made this. And she made this. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm gonna put this top of my head. I have plenty of room. Okay. Okay. This I think I know. Onit made it. I think Onit made this.
Very nice.
Yeah. Right, huh? Look at that.
Looks real.
It looks real. Yeah. So, now that we're done with this, I think this was actually a good kiln. Good stuff, except from the snail that broke, but didn't do so much damage. And that's it, guys. So, see you next time. Bye!